All right, so you want to gather information related to a website. Well, there are plenty of tools online that can help you do that. Now, we can name them, or we can name from them Whois and ID serve. So you can use Nmap or any scanner to test which services are open and running on a particular website. So after doing that, after specifying the service and maybe using Whois to detect the location and registration for a specific website, then you can visit Netcraft and go here on the right side. Now what that site is running, and type here, let's say I'm going to type for now Microsoft, and I hit enter. I'm going to use Microsoft because it has a lot of results. So here are the results for Microsoft's website. How many websites are owned and operated by Microsoft? So we have the official one, Microsoft.com. Now, which looks like it's running on Netscaler. Now, if I scroll down, how many systems or how many results actually do I have? Looks like I have 100 or 268 sites for Microsoft. And I can navigate the pages right down here, so I can find the site and the OS running that site, first seen, and the block. So now, why do we need to define or find out all of these websites? How is this information useful to us? Well, there is something very important here. Every company or every organization put its main security on their main website. So let's say Microsoft.com, TechNet, MSDN support, and so on. But if I navigate a few pages, I'll find something that I've never seen for Microsoft. Some maybe web page, some internal page, or not really internal, just the page that doesn't load for the regular user or doesn't have anything to do with regular users' work or daily work, right? So let's say, looks like images2.store.microsoft.com. A good one to see if we can get into, see if we can open this page. I believe it's forbidden, so it's going to be even forbidden or nothing will happen. So here comes the weakness, right? I'm not saying specifically that this page could be weak or have vulnerabilities. We did not test anything yet here, but there could be chances that those pages are vulnerable for some attacks. So you can go ahead and check out what Microsoft have for websites and check it out here. Let's say e.microsoft.com. Looks like they're protected by F5. Now, it's a web application firewall. That's something very important, something to remember. So apparently there is something important behind this page. They're running a firewall, it's F5. So let's see. Not found. But there's something important here behind this page. Could be that also Microsoft is misleading us, right? Maybe they're trying to trick us to go this way. They're going to make this really secure. So they're changing the web server signatures. So it's appearing for us, Linux, Windows 7, and so on. Now we know that F5 is a firewall. It's not an operating system to host a website. So it could be they're just misleading the information here. And let's be serious, guys. I don't think that Microsoft wants to run systems on Linux, right? They're a competitor. They just hate Linux. Now, why they will run the system on Linux, I don't know. So let's check out the report for that website on the Linux. So here's the website. Here's the main domain here. Here's the name server of it, the DNS name. So this is actually kind of the Whois. So instead of using Whois, all the information is right here in Netcraft. You have everything right here, and looks like here's some history. Let's see what else we can find out. Maybe we can find here emails for administrators or abuse or something like that. So you just need to look around a little bit. The information is available for us right here in Netcraft. Let's go again back to the main site. Now this OS might be correct or it might not be correct. I'm not assuming that they are misleading us, or maybe they are doing that, but here's plenty of information for you guys to start with when you are going to gather information related to a particular website using Netcraft.
Web mirroring is essential when you want to be stealthy with your analysis. Instead of testing all the web pages online, you can copy over to your host the entire website and do your test offline. This helps you stay on unnoticeable to firewalls or log servers, and you can try to find vulnerabilities like SQL injections or excess. On Linux, you can use the simple command wget with parameter -m to mirror the site. Other graphical tools like httrack and Black Widow are perfectly fine to use.
That's right. Good point.